Hi guys, I just want to do a short video on how you can go back and check over your past trades. Something that we need to do sometimes is just take stock of our past trades as well. So it's relatively simple. If you open up MetaTrader obviously and log into your account, and then what I want you to do is go to your terminal. So you'll see this white box here, which is your terminal. That's where you normally check your trades, and you can see anything that's running. You can see your account balance, etc. So open up your terminal, and then what I want you to do, we normally have the tab on the trade tab. You'll see a couple of tabs along, you've got your account history, and that shows you all of your past trades. How this works as well, you will see that underneath the columns take profit and stop loss, you've got some trades with no highlighted boxes, some trades with a green highlighted box, and some trades with a red highlighted box. So if you see something with no boxes at all, it just means that you have personally cancelled those trades. If you see something that has a green box underneath the TP, it means that that trade actually hit your take profit. And then you'll see one with a red box, and it means that trade actually hit your stop loss. So it's nice just to have a look to see which trades hit your take profit, which trades hit your stop loss. So the other thing that you can do is you can have a look and you can review those trades. So if we take, for example, maybe I want to have a look at this past trade where I actually made a little bit of a loss, then I can do so. Firstly, I would need to get that particular chart up on my screen. So this was Australian dollar, Canadian dollar, and you can see I've now got that trade up on the screen, or I've got that chart up on the screen. And what I suggest to do is actually go to, first of all, to a naked chart, so take all your indicators off, because it can be a little bit difficult to see with all the indicators on. And then click on the line chart. So you'll see here you've got a choice of the bar charts, the candlestick chart, and the line chart. So just for clarity, click on either the line chart, or you can also possibly do the bar charts. And then you want to highlight the relevant trade and drag it onto your chart. And what you'll see is when I let go, I'm left with the following. Let's just zoom in here quickly. So firstly, I can see that there would be where I entered the trade. Then I've got a little line up here which shows me the stop loss. And then I've also got another little line up here which shows me the take profit I was going to. So I entered the trade there, had a stop loss in mind at that point, and then the take profit was in mind, was at that point. And then you can also see the point that the trade was exited. So it showed that it was closed at that particular time. And that obviously is going to line up with your stop loss, or lined up with my stop loss at that point. You can't really see it there because it's just going over a line. Let's just change to a bar chart. But you can see a little dotted line to show you where the trade went from and where it went till. Once you've got those things, I would suggest just to go to your pending, your Forex Varsity pending tool, and just so you've got a clear visual of where that trade was, just put the yellow line on the entry, the red line on the stop loss, and then the blue line can go on the take profit. And bring it back to a candlestick chart, add on all your other indicators. You might want to have a vertical line where you entered the trade, just to show you which candlestick you're looking at. So then you can just reevaluate that trade and just, identify, is there anything that you could have done better in hindsight? It's very easy to trade in hindsight, as we know. Or was it just one of those trades that, didn't really go very well and just didn't go in your favor? So guys, I hope that helps. Give me a shout if you've got any other questions on that. But yeah, go back through your trades, just go and see which ones were successful and just which ones weren't so successful, and just have a look again to see if you traded that again now, knowing what you know now, would you have still traded it? Thanks guys.